Hi! Welcome to a new video. My name is Myra, your Pinay English teacher. Sa ating lesson for this week, pag-uusapan natin ang phrasal verb na look forward to. Kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to that so that you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video.
Sa video na ito, ipapaliwanag ko sa inyo ang kasagutan sa mga sumusunod na tanong. What is a phrasal verb? What is a gerund? What does look forward to mean? What is the difference between these two sentences? I'm looking forward to meeting you and I look forward to meeting you.
Just a quick review lang ng phrasal verbs. Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng phrasal verbs?
A phrasal verb is a combination of a verb plus an adverb. Examples: wake up, turn off, sit down. Or it's a combination of a verb plus a preposition. Examples: put on, give in, run into. Or it's a combination of a verb plus an adverb plus a preposition, just like look forward to. When you use those combined words together, they take on different meaning from the original verb. Ibig sabihin, kapag pinagsama-sama ninyo ang mga salitang look forward to, halimbawa, ay mag-iiba ang kahulugan niya kaysa sa original na verb na ginamit ninyo. Iba sa kahulugan ng look na ang ibig sabihin ay tingin.
Tandaan ninyo na yung mga phrasal verbs, hindi nyo kailangang intindihin yung kada isang word doon sa phrase na yon kasi it functions as a one single phrase. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng look forward to?
Look forward to means to feel pleased and excited about something that's going to happen. Masaya at nasasabik ka sa isang bagay na mangyayari.
Para mas madali, dadagdagan natin yan ng word na something. Okay? So, look forward to something. Yung something na yan, kailangan niya noun phrase, gerund, or gerund phrase. Okay? Hindi yan pwedeng maging isang verb. Bakit? Kasi yung to ay isang preposition sa phrase na yan. One of the most important rules na kailangan ninyong tandaan kapag gumagamit kayo ng preposition sa inyong sentences is that after a preposition, hindi kayo gagamit kahit kailan ng verb. Kailangan after a preposition, gagamit kayo ng, again, noun, noun phrase, gerund, or gerund phrase. Ano nga ba yung gerund? Okay, pag sinabi natin gerund, it looks like a verb in the continuous form, yung ing form, but it does not function as a verb in your sentence. So, hindi siya verb. Mukha siyang verb pero hindi siya verb. Isa siyang noun. I'll give you an example sentence. I like swimming. Sa sentence na yan, yung verb natin is like. So, I like swimming. Yung swimming ay isang gerund. Ito yung act of swimming. Okay? Paglangoy. Another example, I hate smoking. Sa sentence na yan, yung verb nyo, I hate. And then yung word na smoking is a gerund. It looks like a verb in its continuous form, pero it functions as a noun. So the act of smoking, I hate smoking. Ibig sabihin, ayoko ng paninigarilyo or ayoko sa paninigarilyo. And balik tayo dun sa phrase na look forward to something. Mali kapag sinabi nating I'm looking forward to meet you kasi nga hindi nyo susundan ng verb yung preposition na to. So instead, you can use a gerund. Okay? I'm looking forward to meeting you. In other words, I'm excited about meeting you. Diba? You don't say, I'm excited about meet you. Yung about ay isang preposition, hindi nyo susundan yan ng verb, kaya kailangan, ang sasabihin nyo, I'm excited about meeting you. Kapareho lang yan nung I'm looking forward to meeting you.
Now, what is the difference between I'm looking forward to meeting you and I look forward to meeting you?
Ayon sa mga reliable resources na nabasa ko, yung I look forward to meeting you is more formal than the first one. Okay? Mas formal siya doon sa I'm looking forward to meeting you. So, kung magsusulat kayo ng isang email, ang mas magandang gamitin nyo is I look forward to meeting you. So typically, it's the way you sign off in a business correspondence, all right? You say, I look forward to meeting you. Now, I'm going to be giving you some more example sentences using the phrasal verb look forward to.
Again, look forward to something means to feel pleased or excited about something that's going to happen. Here are some more example sentences. Number 1, I'm looking forward to our summer vacation. Yung our summer vacation ay isang noun phrase. In other words, I'm excited about our summer vacation. Number 2, he's looking forward to his wedding day. Yung his wedding day ay isang noun phrase. In other words, he's excited about his wedding day. Number 3, we are all looking forward to seeing you. Yung seeing you is a gerund phrase. In other words, we are all excited about seeing you. Number 4, she is looking forward to receiving the award. Yung receiving the award ay isang gerund phrase. In other words, she's excited about receiving the award. Now, these are usually used when you sign off in a business correspondence. I look forward to your reply. I look forward to your response. I look forward to hearing from you soon.
Kung sa palagay mo ay nakatulong ang aking video for this week, please don't forget to share it or give it a thumbs up and subscribe na rin kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa aking channel. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga subscribers ko na nagko-comment and nagbibigay ng suggestions nila for the topics na pwede kong gawin sa aking channel. So I really appreciate your support. Thank you very much for joining me today. Bye for now!